Hi Kevin, this is Jeremy from Clearview Solutions. Just giving you a quick video just so you can see how to fit the XT Plus to a Reachit Pro and then fitting a Reachit XT on the bottom. Very, very simple. You have your Reachit Pro, open the clamp on the XT, put the XT onto the bottom of the Pro until you feel it lock, clamp down. Now you can see the XT Plus fitted to the Pro. Then go to the Reachit clamp, open up that one. It's hard to do on my own. Put the Reachit XT onto the Pro. To the end, you'll see where it fits. Lock that down, and there you go. You've got your Reachit XT fitted to your XT Plus, fitted to your Pro, and just use it as normal. You then come to the other end of the XT, the Reachit XT. Open the clamp, close the clamp, and you extend it another 5 foot. So there you go. Any questions, give us a call. Thanks Kevin. Bye.